Consejo pi turista loyal que visita nos isla para vários anos consecutivos. Nanta integrar ng mês de nos comunidade e tem viaja até hasta compra propriedade ng riba nos isla. Panang por desfrutar de saque o bibiana também queda período ng largo riba nos isla, qual que nunca tá outro problema. Recentemente surgiu uma discussão riba e período que permitia turista ng paqueda riba nos isla e se não por haya extensão pesaki ou não.
Normalmente, tour visitante de nossas islas, seja de qual parte do mundo que também tem direito para cada 30 dias em nossa isla e tem a possibilidade de alargar essa aqui para 90 dias se não há essa aqui necessário ou simplesmente quer goza de estadia mais largo.
Any visitor comes in is granted a 30-day stay, but then they have the ability to extend that stay up to a maximum of 90 days. And the immigration officer can grant that visa on entry, because if someone says, I'm coming in, but I'm going to stay for 6 weeks or I'm going to stay for 2 months or whatever, on entry, they will say, that's fine, okay, we'll give it to you for 90 days, providing they can prove that they've got enough to cover the cost of the hotel or wherever they're staying.
Agora surge uma confusão ribedia não permitir para turistas não quedar arriba nas islas. Pero essa aqui tem sua explicação e por nota que nota algo fora de normal e a procedura não normal como estar cumpre com ele.
What has happened now is I believe that they're asking for further supporting documentation as to their ability to support themselves in the fact that they're staying longer than those 30 days. They're looking for evidence of the ability to pay for the accommodation and also health insurance and so on and so forth, that they can cover those kinds of costs. And it's created some confusion as to whether in fact that means you can only stay for 30 days, you can't stay for longer than that. And we've asked for clarification, we've received some clarification through the lawyers.
Lo que suscita de lamentar un malentendido que surge con aerolínea que pone varios turistas cuestionaran estadía o viaje para nos isla. Por vista así que incertidumbre que surge hay una clarificación na final.
But unfortunately what happened in one particular instance was like US Air put it into their system that no one is allowed to stay longer than 30 days. So if someone attempts to book a ticket which says I will arrive on the 1st of June but I want to go home on the 30th of July, US Air will say, I'm sorry, I can't sell you that ticket. Well, that's not the case, because they could receive that extension on arrival. And that's created some issues. So what is happening is that the government is now reaching out to all of the distribution channels, whether they be the airlines, tour operators or wherever, to explain to them, look, these are the clarifications that we're seeking, and these are the laws, and this is the process that you have to follow.
Esa que segura trece algum ponto negativo para Aruba. Preguntan a ser así, pero nada que no por aquí explicar.
The negative implications is that people are now concerned that next winter perhaps they can't stay for their extended period of time, because they're not sure exactly whether when they arrive, or if they book an air ticket, will the airline honor that ticket or even sell them that ticket? That's what we're trying to clarify. It's not a big percentage of our business, clearly. I mean, the average length of stay is 6 nights, so we don't have a lot of business which is extended stay. But certainly on the timeshare side, it's a concern. They get a lot of questions, and an increasing number of our visitors are using condominiums, apartments, and private homes. So they too have expressed some concern, and we just need to clarify it.
E lei para visitante não sempre queda mescos. Solamente agora pede para mais documento para justificar a extensão de estadia arriba nos isla. Por notícia boa noite, a mitad de Simon.
A prolongação desta dia arriba nos isla não é um problema, sempre porque demonstrar que financeiramente sabe uma opção. O processo aqui simplesmente está para por controlar esta dia não largo arriba nos isla, mas melhor como que no passado surgiu problema não regular com visitante não especialmente de Sul América que não cumpre que dia não estipular, segundo o diretor de AHATA.